Hello, this is Jubnar. You're listening to 99.fm, and today we are going to record something out of these chips into Serum. So let's go.
Yo, it's me. I'm Jubnar. Here's some chips. We're gonna record this sound, which we already did, and we're gonna put it into Serum. So let's go.
Let's go.
Boom. We're gonna put it to 512, and then we're gonna edit it, process, normalize, gain each separately, so it has that right kind of volume. Then we're gonna crossfade all of them, and then we are going to play around with this waveform. LFO on the wavetable here. Let's try PWM. Alright, now let's try some effects, distortion, turn the drive all the way up. Let's put a trick that I like to do is put a tail on here, a delay, and you get that nice metallic-y, metal-y sound, whatever you want to call it. And bring that up. OTT on here. Filter. Homeless filter. And these kind of filters I like using the flanger ones. Weird. Doing weird things. Try like an EQ, possibly. Oh, this. This is what we have so far. Alright, now to post-processing. And this is where all the fun begins. So I like to use this little plugin called Gain Reduction by Joey Tones, and mainly good for vocals. It pretty much brings the quiet parts and the high parts kind of equal. It's pretty much kind of like an OTT kind of, but it definitely brings it up. So let's try some of my favorite plugins, filter plugins that I use. This one's called PSP N20. It's a nice filter plugin that does a lot of crazy things. This one's my favorite. And last but not least is Factor 5 Buff Eater. This one's a good one. Virtual Riot uses it in his tutorials, and it's pretty gnarly what you can do. You can make some nice alien sounds out of this as well. crazy. I like to put an ARP onto this. Random single notes. Definitely has that alien sound. And another one I like to use for the tune shifter. You can get some crazy. One thing I forgot to use is my fat rack. Virtual uses this on a lot of his stuff. Alright. Let's resample some of this stuff. Just start recording little snippets of sounds. And then I like to take the audio and just it's all about finding that right sound. And this was all out of chips. So
let's go.
grab the best sidechain is what I think, and what Barely Alive uses is Cable Guys. Put that into the group and grab a mini. Any notes, doesn't matter. And then make your shape by clicking dots. And you'd want it one shot so it doesn't leak. Sidechain, always triggering the MIDI, and it all depends on because of your sidechain. You can even EQ sidechain your highs, your lows here. Then you would want it to group that into your group, which is volume shaper 1, and honestly too much sidechain. Now it should be working. I want to skirt around with the sound. And that's what you can do with chips. A basic tutorial, but hopefully I'll see you in the next one. I'll probably be recording some other crazy ass sounds and doing something even bigger. Oh, like, subscribe, ring those bells, share, whatever you want to do.
So let's go.
Peace.